Welcome to Praxie Best Practices. I'm Soren Kaplan, co-founder of Praxie.com. An SQDC Huddle Board is something that's used usually in the manufacturing environment to track and measure how you're doing, usually on a daily basis, if not weekly and monthly basis. So SQDC is an acronym for Safety, Quality, Delivery, and Cost. Some people add a P onto the end of that, which is people. But the idea is that you want to quantify what you mean and how you're defining safety, quality, delivery, and cost. And you use that quantification to figure out how are you doing each day. So if you know how you're quantifying safety, as in no incidents or accidents, then you can determine, do you have a green day or a red day? And you can look across each of these dimensions and look at it by day, week, and month to figure out, are there needs to create projects to remediate any issues or to create process improvements. So the idea here is that you look at this as a dashboard, and you can use a whiteboard, you can use a file, or more and more organizations are using large digital whiteboards that are based in the cloud. But the idea is that you want to track this as a dashboard, identify actions that are necessary based on what you're seeing, and that will help you improve your overall manufacturing environment and the output for your customers. For more best practice templates and applications, visit Praxie.com.